Meaning of dating agency.
Dating agency.
Dating agency.
Dating agency.
Dating agency. A dating agency is a business that matches individuals seeking romantic relationships. The agency typically gathers information about its clients, including interests, preferences, and expectations, and uses this to find suitable matches. Some agencies arrange face-to-face meetings, while others may facilitate virtual introductions. The goal of a dating agency is for its clients to form meaningful connections with each other. Successful matches can lead to long-term relationships, marriages, or simply enjoyable dates. Ultimately, a dating agency creates opportunities for individuals to meet potential partners they may not have otherwise encountered.